Hello friends, so in this video we are going to see how to configure voice over internet protocol. So let's first take the router 2811, then we are going to take switch, so here we are taking 5 IP phones. So now we will make connection between the phone and switch using this fast Ethernet cable. Now we are going to see to make this phone enable and connect to switch, as the green signal will indicate the connection is done between the switch or phone. So to make the connection, so let's first drag and drop the power adapter to this socket. Using this we can see that the connection is established between switch and IP phone. Fast forward it, the green signal indicate that the connection between them is established. So do this connection with the remaining phone. Okay. So here the connection is established with all the phones with the switch. Now we are going to connect the switch with the router using the gigabit Ethernet cable, first Ethernet port. So now we will going to configure the IP address of the router using the command given by the Cisco. So for this I was referring this website packettracernetwork.com. Here the commands to configure the router, to configure the IP phone with the call manager express telephony service, how to configure the switch, everything is every command is given on this website. So I will post this link in the description below. So with the help of this command, let's make the let's give the IP address to the router. Enable the router first and terminal interface must net. So we are giving the IP address to the router as 192.168.1.1. So for this IP address, for this IP class, the subnet mask is 255.255.0. So okay, we successfully give the IP address to the router. Now we are going to use the DHCP server, which is used to assign the IP address to the IP phones. So IP DHCP to voice instead of voice you can also give your name or anything you want. So the network address is 92.168.1.0 with subnet mask 55.255.255.0. Okay, and the network I need to give 1.0.255.0. Okay, so default router with the router's IP address I'm missing here the line default router 192.8.1.1. Yes. Now option 150 92.168.1.1. So basically it is used to configure the TFTP server, as it is used to allow the phone to get the firmware and configuration files from the router. This is done by the 150 command here we use. Enter. Now we are going to configure the call manager express to enable the VoIP on our network. So daily service. Okay. So maximum number of phone lines we are taking as 5. Maximum phones, maximum number of telephones 5. So address 90. So here the IP of the router where the telephone will be registered, and the source address which is running the DHCP and TFTP service, which will be the router itself, and the port used for the phone is by default here we are taking as 2000. Now we are going to automatically register do the registration of the phone using these commands. Auto assign 426, auto assign 1025. Okay, now we are going to make the assign the phone numbers to the IP phones using ephone tn1. Enter number is 95. dn2 number is 90. Three number we are taking 25. PAT TN number to take as 475. So now let's configure the switch. Make the switch enable config terminal yes image is 0 1 2 5 switch port no access. So now we will ensure the IP address of the phone number are assigned to the each phone or not. So fast forward it. Okay, here we can see that the IP address to the phone, their gateway and the line number is assigned to it. Or the rest of the thing. Okay, done, done, done. So let's see if it's working or not. GUI. Here we can see the phone 285 phone number. Let's take this one. 475. Okay, 475. The connection is successfully done. Connected. Okay, let's do with another phone. GUI. Let's call 285. Connection is done. Call from 380. Okay, thank you.